Mojo Braised Pulled Pork. Sounds good. What the hell? What are you doing, man?
I want to go for a swim. It's actually super cold.
Of course it's cold. It's November.
Yeah, but you said it wouldn't be as cold as in Canada. You lied.
What are you talking about? I said it would be warmer. We're in the south of France, not the Barbados. I just thought it was common sense.
It sucks.
I have something for you. There's one drink I love to have when I want to reminisce summertime. The first sip will take you right back into the middle of the warm season, I guarantee. Plus, I think it is amazing when it gets colder outside because it is summer style and refreshing, but at the same time, it is bold and rich. I think it's perfect for all seasons. Do you want one? It's gonna warm you up.
Yeah, fine. I'll take one.
That's what I thought. Let's make some Mai Tais.
What's up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making the Mai Tai, this iconic and oh so delicious, or should I say out of this world cocktail from the Tiki culture. Why out of this world? Because when Trader Vic's created the cocktail in 1944, he handed it to two of his Tahitian friends, and Kerry, who was the first to sip on it, said out loud, "This is Mai Tai Roai." I am 100% sure this is not the right pronunciation. Forgive me. So I'm gonna write the words here, and those words literally means in Tahitian, out of this world. So he named the cocktail after that, and he was right. This is a goddamn good drink. But on a side note, there's also Don the Beachcomber, who claims he has invented the Mai Tai, but his recipe is somewhat different than Trader Vic's one. Today, I'm highlighting Trader Vic's recipe and story because my Mai Tai is closer to his than it is to Don the Beachcomber's Mai Tai. That being said, I love a Mai Tai for all occasions. All seasons, should I say. Because, as I said in the intro, it is a rum-based cocktail with lime and crushed ice, so it is very refreshing. But also because of the rum, because it's aged rum and most of the time a mix of aged rum, and the almond syrup, it is very rich, complex, almost spicy, so it is perfect when it gets colder and chillier outside, when you want something refreshing, but also comforting at the same time. And one more thing I absolutely love about the Mai Tais, because it is usually made out of a mix of several different kinds of rums, it is possible that you have a Mai Tai every day of the year and you will never get the same recipe. And that's pretty cool in my opinion. So today I'm gonna share with you my favorite way to make a Mai Tai. I hope you're gonna like it. First, you're gonna need a good aged rum, and today I picked Mount Gay Black Barrel. This will give the spices, the vanilla flavors to the Mai Tai. It's also gonna add a little bit of sweetness and complexity. Then we're gonna need to add a little bit of funk or hogo in that cocktail. So we're gonna need Jamaican rum. So today I'm using Hampden 8 years. But I also like my Mai Tai to be a little bit grassy. So I'm gonna add a little bit of unaged Agricole rum. And today I'm using La Favorite. This is a pure cane juice rum from La Martinique, and it is very grassy. So all these three rums together make something that's out of this world. Or should I say, Mai Tai Roai. Alright, so now we also gonna need orange liqueur, and I'm using today Cointreau Triple Sec. The traditional recipe calls for Curacao, and honestly, I also love it with that. But I tend to use Cointreau instead because I love the sharpness and the dryness of it. Then we're also gonna need Orgeat Syrup and freshly squeezed lime juice. For the garnish, we're gonna use mint sprigs and Amarena cherries. All right, so now let's make the cocktail. First, in a cocktail shaker, we're gonna pour 1 ounce or 30 ml of Mount Gay Black Barrel, 1 ounce or 30 ml of Hampden 8 years Jamaican rum, A quarter of an ounce or 7.5 mils of La Favorite Agricole rum. Half an ounce or 15 mils of Cointreau. Half an ounce or 15 mils of Orgeat Syrup. And 1 ounce or 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. Also, keep these because we're gonna use them as a garnish. It smells so good after it's squeezed because of all the lime oils, so it's gonna enhance the freshness and citrusness of the cocktail. Because you know, when you use crushed ice in a cocktail, you need some fragrant garnishes because you don't smell the liquid of the drink most of the time. So mint sprig and that will make a very smelly cocktail that's gonna go really well with the liquid in the glass. So now we're gonna add just a little scoop of crushed ice, and then we're gonna whip shake for a few seconds. We can now dump everything in a tiki mug or a double old-fashioned glass, up to you. Now we're gonna top it almost all the way up with more crushed ice. I'm gonna add a bamboo straw, a beautiful mint bouquet. It's always important to place the mint next to the straw because it's gonna tickle your nose and it's gonna smell really good. You can add a little more crushed ice if you feel it's necessary. Then we're gonna place our half lime husk here and one Amarena cherry, like that. And there you go, my favorite Mai Tai recipe. Cheers. This is so good. Everything that I love for a Mai Tai. Good kick of rum up front with beautiful complexity, richness, vanilla flavor, and smoothness from the Barbados rum. A good kick of Hogo or fine from the Jamaican rum, and a little bit of grassiness from the La Favorite or Agricole rum if you use a different one. It is complex, as I said, but it's also perfectly balanced. Quite boozy, so it is also very nice when it's getting colder outside. It's gonna warm you up, but it's also very refreshing if it's warm outside. So perfect for all occasions, as I said. Then you get some beautiful orange flavors from the Cointreau that goes really well with the freshness and refreshing notes from the lime. Then the Orgeat Syrup is very rich, complex, super full of texture, and a hint of orange blossom in there makes it slightly floral, and I really love it. So guys, that's it for me today. I hope you're gonna like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hit the like and the bell if you want to be notified when we post a new cocktail video. Until then, thank you very much again. Have a great day and see you very soon. Cheers. I love it, but my ends are way too cold. Bye. Nah, nope, not a speakeasy door. That'd be cool though.
Cheers, man. Thanks. I'm happy now. That's good.